In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update existing items in monday.com using a form with the Superform app. By the end of this guide, you'll have a clear understanding of how to efficiently modify your monday.com items through customized forms. Let's dive straight in. To start, head over to monday.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to click on the login button located in the upper right corner of the screen. It's important to use the correct credentials associated with your monday.com account to avoid any login issues. If this is your first time signing in, you'll be prompted to use Google or register with an email linked to your Monday account. For those of you who have logged in before, you'll automatically be directed to your Monday workspace. Now within your dashboard, we're going to install the Superform app. This specialized tool is key to updating your existing items through forms. Look for the plus button on the board menu and select Superform from the app's marketplace. This will initiate the installation process of the app onto your monday.com board. Once Superform is added, it's time to configure the settings. You will see an option labeled Update in the app settings menu. Make sure to select this option. It's crucial because it allows the form to modify existing items rather than creating new ones. If you overlook this step, you might end up with duplicate entries instead of updated ones. Next, we need to map the columns from your monday.com board to the fields in your Superform form. This is an essential task as it ensures that the data aligns perfectly when you make updates. If you miss mapping a relevant column, you might not be able to modify that specific field later on, leading to gaps in your process. Furthermore, for every column you wish your users to update through these forms, you must enable the Allow Update option. This setting guarantees that the specified columns are open for changes, giving users both the flexibility and permission to make updates when necessary. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now be equipped to effectively update existing items in monday.com using the Superform app. Remember, taking the extra time to ensure everything is set up properly will save you time and prevent errors down the line. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made the process clearer and more accessible for you. Happy updating!